Investment manager Rathbone Brothers has reported a sharp drop in inflows during 2019, despite strong growth in its funds under management. At the end of 2019, Rathbone had £50.4 billion funds under management and administration, FUMA, 14% higher than the previous year. Read more. Rathbone Brothers by Barclays Wealth. Personal injury businessNet inflows during 2019 were £600 million, a significant decline on the £8.5 billion Rathbones reported in 2018. This figure included £6.8 billion FUMA gained from the acquisition of Spiers Jeffrey during that year. Excluding this benefit, Rathbones' net inflows for 2018 totaled £1.7 billion. Rathbone purchased the Glasgow-based wealth manager for £104 million, in a deal that increased its FUMA by 18%. In today's update, Rathbones reported a 12% increase in its investment management unit's FUMA, but organic inflows into the division declined 13% year-on-year to £3.3 billion. Its unit trust business's FUMA climbed 32% to £7.4 billion. The company said it continues to expect macroeconomic conditions to drive volatility more generally across investment markets in the shorter term, but remains focused on pursuing the strategic objectives we set out in October. Rathbone Brothers warned in October that its profit margins would narrow over the next 2 or 3 years as it sought to grow organically, sending its shares sliding.Read more. Rathbone Brothers shares fall as it warns on tighter profit margin. A month later, the investment manager announced the acquisition of Barclays Wealth's personal injury and court of protection business for an undisclosed sum. Rathbone Brothers shares were down 2.35% at lunchtime. For more on this story, visit the news article link.